This is a tutorial in using Zoom, the Zoom tool. So first of all, Zoom is very important because if you wanted to look at your artwork closely, you need to use the Zoom tool. The Zoom tool is located in the toolbox, which is this icon here for Tool Zoom. Now, if you are in your graphics area and if you type in Z for Zoom, and it will activate the Zoom tool. But it's activated because you can see that the icon becomes a magnifying lens. So if you click or you make a window, you click and drag to make a window, and that particular area would be magnified. Okay? Now, if you want to go back to your previous zoom, you just do your right mouse click, and it will go to the previous zoom. Now, when you click on your zoom or click on Z, type in Z for your zoom tool, you're going to have these options here in the property bar. So right now I'm 135% my zoom level, and let's say I'm going to go to 50%. You can also use these options here, 200%, and I'll go to. You can also click on to fit, just to make sure that it fits to the window. Now you can also use this zoom in and also this zoom out. And this one is zoom to all objects. And the shortcut key for that, say for example you're zooming in here, then you want to see the whole objects in your artwork. You hit F4, so that's F4 for the shortcut key, and it will zoom out to all of the objects. Okay, now I'm going to zoom in again. So F4 is to zoom into all of your objects. What if I want to zoom out? The shortcut key for zooming out is F3. So hit F3 and you will zoom out. Okay. Now I'm going to zoom in again. Let's say you're zooming in and then you want to pan or you want to move your view. In your keyboard, hit H, like the H, and then automatically when you click on H, you're gonna see a hand tool. It means to say you can pan. So that's another shortcut key for panning. It's type in H for pan. I'm going back to my zoom tool, so I type in Z for zoom tool, and in your mouse you have the scroll wheel. Okay, if you scroll up and scroll down, when you do the scroll up, you're zooming in, and if you scroll down, you're zooming out. So that's another shortcut to zooming in and zooming out. Now another one too is the F9. When you click on F9, you would just it doesn't show here, but if you click on F9, it would show you the view of only the artwork without the interface. Okay, I'm gonna try that right now. Okay, now when you hit F9, you're going to see just your artwork, but you're not going to see your the interface of CorelDraw. So hit F9 and there you go, and hit escape to go back to your artwork with the interface. Another technique too is using the Navigator, which is this one in the lower right corner. So let's say I'm zooming in, I go to my Navigator, which is this one here. I click and then you will see a box, and then you can navigate to your artwork. That's a really handy tool too.